Are you making these dangerous mistakes with your homemade cat food? As cat owners, we all want to provide the best nutrition for our feline friends, but there are potential pitfalls to avoid. Let's explore 5 dangerous homemade cat food mistakes and how to steer clear of them. One of the most common mistakes when preparing homemade cat food is an imbalance in nutritional content. Cats have specific dietary requirements, including protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Failure to meet these requirements can lead to nutritional deficiencies or excesses, which can have serious health consequences for your feline friend. To ensure a balanced diet, consult with a veterinarian or feline nutritionist to create a recipe that meets your cat's specific needs. When preparing homemade cat food, it's crucial to ensure that all essential nutrients are included in the recipe. These nutrients include taurine, an amino acid vital for heart health, vitamin A, important for vision and immune function, and omega-3 fatty acids, which support skin and coat health. Incorporating ingredients such as meat, organs, eggs, and certain vegetables can help provide these essential nutrients in homemade cat food. Be cautious with raw meat. While it may seem natural and nutritious, it can pose a risk of bacterial contamination, causing foodborne illness in both cats and humans. To minimize this risk, handle raw meat carefully, practice proper food safety protocols, and consider cooking the meat before feeding it to your cat. Proper food preparation is crucial. Ensure all ingredients are fresh, properly cooked, and stored correctly. Using the right equipment, such as stainless steel bowls and utensils, can help maintain food safety and hygiene. Every cat is unique. Consider your cat's specific needs when preparing homemade food. Factors like age, activity level, weight, and health conditions should all be taken into account. Consulting with a veterinarian or feline nutritionist can provide valuable guidance. Overdosing on certain vitamins and minerals can lead to toxicity symptoms, mineral imbalances, digestive upset, interference with medications, and financial costs. Be mindful of the supplements you're adding to your cat's diet.